Hello? Hello? Go on, my Jay. Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah. Yes, Carrie. Yes, yes, yes. You know, say, I don't know the hospital I man I go, you know. Yes. Yeah, man. My grandfather still down at the hospital. Yeah, man. My grandfather got church. Yeah, man. And drop down on the road. Yeah, man, me get to understand saying receive a phone call from the taxi man. You know, remember, man, when me I tell you so me get piece of food, man. Yeah, man, and my grandfather money me. Yeah, me take. Yeah, man, me I tell you. So grandfather go to church and drop down. Yeah, after the taxi man call him and asked him for the money. Yeah. But why you want to say we couldn't even pluck up the courage to go down at the hospital go look for grandfather, you know? Yeah, man, because me feel so bad. Yeah, man, but you know, everybody in the community I talk to me and I tell me, say, if I go down, they go look for my grandfather and apologize to my grandfather. So, they are forward down at the hospital, man. Right now, me I talk to you, me out for Christ, star. Because a long time grandfather talk to me, you know. Yeah, man. Well, me have to go shape up on my waist them, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Because I from a 3 year old, I live with my grandfather, you know. Yeah, man. I mean, don't want to see my grandfather go down them way, them, man. No, man. No, man. No, no. Me don't want nothing reach my grandfather, man, and up on my shoulder, man. No, man. Boy, I may have to go lower out the front thing, them and thing, yeah, man. Yeah, man. And come January, man, me I go back to school and thing. No, man, the badness not pay, man. Brother, me have to go come off of the corner and start the better, man. Yeah, man. Too much people talk to me, man. No, sir. All right, then hold it a year. When I go down at the hospital. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have forward down there, man. Go look for grandfather. All right. Grandfather, good evening. Good evening, grandfather. How are you, my grandson? Good evening. Good evening, grandfather. Grandfather, I'm come to tell you sorry and pardon for my behavior. Your grandfather. And grandfather, me bring this flowers for you here. I don't even know if you like flowers, but me just bring it for you still, grandfather. For sure you say me appreciate and love you here. Yes, grandfather, and continue pray for me here, grandfather. May I try my best. And this is a wake up call for me, grandfather. I hope to do better, very much better, grandfather. Yes. Grandfather, I'm very sorry for all that I've been putting you through and the disrespect and the thieving of the money, grandfather, that you give me to give Mr. Reed. But grandfather, continue to pray for me here. And grandfather, I really want to change. I don't know what come over me. Grandfather, I don't know what come over me, grandfather. Grandfather, you know, say me been growing good right up till me are 15, grandfather. But grandfather, I don't know what take me over. It must be the company them when me a keep. Because grandfather, you know, say me did a good boy. But continue pray for me here, grandfather. I'm going to ask mom if he send the money for me to go back to school January. You hear, mommy? You hear, grandfather? Me really want to change because grandfather, me don't want to see anything happen to you. Okay, grandfather? Alright. Oh, how are you? I'm not doing too bad. Okay, my grandson, take it easy, take it easy. I know it's not so we grow you, and it must be something come over you. Oh, don't worry yourself, my grandson. I soon come out. Oh, oh, oh. I soon come out, my grandson. Oh, oh, oh. Doctor said my pressure high, and may have my heart a race. But he said, me so alright. Me fi just take it easy. But I really have to come out of this place. Because as you know, me have the rally at church. And I don't want the rally miss me. Oh, oh, alright, alright. Oh, 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 I'm not doing too bad today. As if I can sit up. Call the doctor. Call the doctor, baby. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Please to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. Every subscriber is important. We are in this together. Okay? I alone cannot do it. Okay? We are all in this together. And remember, this is a 2-hour movie I am acting. Okay? Okay. All right.